Navisworks is a model review software, which means that we don't actually create model elements in Navisworks. We export from model authoring software such as Revit or AutoCAD to then review each of the models in Navisworks. If somebody asks if we can add some more trees in this model or build out this building, extend this height by another 20 feet, we can manipulate an item by scaling it and moving it, but as far as actually altering the model's properties and the building information model, this is all done in model authoring software such as Revit or AutoCAD.